Uno, Toy Story 4, How to Play. This game plays the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of the rules, check out this video. The new rules are as follows. Each type of card is themed with a different image. The Duke Caboom card is a wild that may be played on any other card. When you play this card, pick 2 players and mix up their hands. Then deal the cards back out to both players as evenly as possible. If there is an odd number of cards, then you get to decide who gets the extra card. Then you get to pick the color that resumes play. At the beginning of the game, if a wild Duke Caboom card is the first card flipped, then the player to the left of the dealer may play any card on it. At the end of the game, each wild Duke Caboom card left in an opponent's hand is worth 50 points.